The secret behind growth, healing, and life itself? Cell division. Cell division is the process by which a parent cell divides to produce new cells. It is essential for growth, repair, reproduction, and maintaining life. There are two main types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Before a cell divides, it prepares through the cell cycle. The cycle consists of G1 phase, cell grows. S phase, DNA is copied. G2 phase, final preparations. M phase, cell division occurs. During this time, the cell ensures that each new cell receives genetic information. Let's see division in mitosis. Mitosis produces two genetically identical daughter cells. It occurs in body cells and helps with growth, tissue repair, and replacement of worn-out cells. Cell division takes place through four main stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. During prophase, chromatin condenses into chromosomes. The nuclear membrane begins to disappear. Spindle fibers start forming. Centrioles move to opposite poles. The cell is preparing to separate its chromosomes. In metaphase, chromosomes line up at the center of the cell. Spindle fibers attach to the centromeres. This alignment ensures accurate chromosome separation. During anaphase, sister chromatids separate. They are pulled toward opposite poles. Each future cell now receives an identical set of chromosomes. In telophase, new nuclear membranes form. Chromosomes begin to uncoil. During cytokinesis, the cytoplasm divides. Two identical daughter cells are formed. Meiosis overview. Meiosis is used to produce reproductive cells such as eggs and sperm. Unlike mitosis, meiosis creates four genetically unique cells with half the number of chromosomes. Meiosis 1. During meiosis 1, homologous chromosomes pair up. Crossing over occurs, exchanging DNA segments. Chromosome pairs separate. This creates genetic variation among offspring. Meiosis 2. Meiosis 2 resembles mitosis, sister chromatids separate. Four haploid cells are produced. Each cell contains a unique combination of genes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more biology videos on this channel.